Are you ready to experience the next big revolution in smartphones? Because today we are diving deep into the upcoming OnePlus 15 Pro, a phone that is already making waves across the tech world even before its official launch. And trust me, the features packed into this device might just leave you speechless. So stick with me till the end, because there's a surprise that you definitely don't want to miss. The OnePlus 15 Pro is set to bring a major leap in technology, starting with its sleek, futuristic design built with aerospace-grade titanium and Gorilla Glass Victus 3, giving it both premium feel and durability. The phone boasts a stunning 6.9-inch Quad HD AMOLED LTPO 4.0 display with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision support, and brightness peaking at 3,500 nits, making it one of the brightest displays ever on a smartphone. For those who love gaming, scrolling, or binge-watching, this display is going to feel like pure magic in your hands. Powering this beast is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip paired with OnePlus's new AI Hyper engine, designed to make performance lightning fast while managing battery efficiency like never before. AI is at the heart of the OnePlus 15 Pro, enabling features like real-time voice translation, AI wallpaper generation, smarter camera optimization, and even predictive performance adjustment that learns your habits to save power when you don't need maximum speed. Speaking of power, the 15 Pro carries a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 150W SuperVOOC charging and 50W wireless charging, meaning you can get a full day's power in less than 10 minutes of charging, which is insane compared to anything we've seen so far. The cameras are another huge highlight. A quad camera setup co-engineered with Hasselblad, featuring a 200MP main sensor with OIS, a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 32MP AI portrait lens, all tuned for breathtaking shots in any condition. The front camera is a 48MP under-display shooter, delivering clear selfies while keeping the screen uninterrupted. Video creators will love the 8K recording at 60 frames per second with cinematic AI stabilization and Dolby Vision HDR, making it almost like carrying a professional camera in your pocket. OnePlus has also added AI-driven editing tools right inside the gallery, so you can shoot, edit, and share without third-party apps. Storage and RAM options go up to 1TB UFS 4.1 with 24GB LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring this phone is built for heavy multitasking and future-proofing. OnePlus has announced that the 15 Pro will officially launch globally in March 2026, with pre-orders opening earlier in select regions, including the USA, which will definitely be one of the first markets to get it. But here's the suspense. OnePlus is rumored to launch an exclusive limited edition color that won't be revealed until the launch event, and early leaks suggest it could even be a transparent back model, which would be jaw-dropping if true. Imagine the reactions if OnePlus actually pulls this off. The combination of AI innovation, unmatched performance, insane charging speeds, and camera technology is making the OnePlus 15 Pro not just a smartphone, but a true futuristic companion. And here's the surprise I promised. Those who watch till the end should know that OnePlus is planning to add a hidden AI assistant feature that works offline, meaning you could have your own private AI working without needing the internet, and that could change the game forever if it actually launches with this device. So, what do you think? Does the OnePlus 15 Pro sound like the ultimate flagship killer, or will the competition have an answer to it? I can't wait to hear your thoughts, so make sure you share them with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Stay tuned, because the launch of the OnePlus 15 Pro might just redefine what we expect from a smartphone.